Hi everybody. We are waiting for the train.
And then we are going to film in Cambridge.
Yeah.
We are on the train. We are traveling to Cambridge. Can you film yourself?
Hi.
I'm Kenichi.
I'm Kenichi. I'm going to enjoy the. We are arriving.
Hi. Cambridge.
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 Yeah. Hi.
Yes. This is first college today.
It's really beautiful park and Where's Kathleen?
Catherine here. I'm studying in this college.
You're a liar.
I run Universal Student Tours. I'm also a teacher at Malvern House College.
So Kenichi wants to study philosophy.
Yeah, I'm studying philosophy in this college. It's quite nice.
It's hard
A bit, but I like because I like reading.
and you're very smart.
Yeah.
The Simpsons Bike. Many of John Bone's scenes were filmed here.
Oh yeah.
What else? There's a church
And
next to.
Yes, we know that every college has a little church called chapel.
Right, who's here for a photo? You four. Now, one general notice about colleges in general, they are very protective of the grass. So even when there isn't a sign, please keep on the path, stay off the grass, otherwise it's...
We are coming to chapel now inside.
That is a beautiful, not piano, I don't know what
Oh yes, yes. Like
orgona in Hungary.
So he was a prime minister.
Yes, when
Bit younger.
Very youngest
he's
prime
the
minister.
youngest.
24.
Yes.
And he made income tax.
I don't think he enjoyed his young.
His foot is very big. Big.
Flowers. I like it.
He said Cambridge is much greener than Oxford, which I don't know. But I can see the
But in Oxford, you have the places that Harry Potter
Harry Potter, yeah.
filmed there. So that's the Bridge of Sights, like the Venice one. Such a lovely landscape. Kenichi. Hey.
Why are you laughing?
I take something
Sorry?
from the nature.
She was taking picture of the nature, but I think she was taking picture of the guys over there.
No!
Oh, okay. is a good man. Oh.
Thank you.
This is an apple tree.
Of Newton.
Yeah, which is a cousin of the apple from Newton. We are going for lunch.
Yes, exactly.
So now we are having lunch. Yay! What is this? What is this? Oh,
It's some kind of brunch.
vegetarian.
Vegetarian?
Maybe the same.
Fish and chips.
Not the same
Because
Fish and chips.
mushrooms.
taking video.
Hello. Thank you.
Yeah.
And all of fish and chips.
Go home. No. I can.
Smile at the camera.
Roast.
I'm going to send a video to my friends. Say hello.
Hi. Hi again.
Kanichi. Say hello. Oh my god. Say hello to Argentina. Hello.
Hello.
That's fun.
It's right.
So we are going to climb to the top.
If it is free.
Yeah, it's free.
If it's free. No, it's not. Let me think.
Now we decided it's this price. It's a bit expensive
go
for the
out.
student. A bit expensive for the Golden Screen student. I'm sorry.
Go
Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
Cheers.
We bought just ice cream.
Yes, it's amazing.
Amazing.
No.
Are you sure that this is the way?
No, I am not
Kenichi, are you sure? No.
So we arrived to the
Yeah.
King's Cross. Alright, it's quite a nice trip.
We
Yeah.
spent a really good time
Yeah.
in Cambridge.
Yeah.
We enjoyed everything.
Yeah.
The beer, the ice cream.
Ice cream was very good.
Beer ice cream.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. See you next
See you
time.
next time. Bye.